Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to use perspective warp in Photopea to change the angle and alignment of objects for a realistic look. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your image in Photopea by going to File, then Open, and selecting the picture you want to edit. Step 2, click Edit on the top menu, choose Transform, then select Perspective Warp, which activates a grid overlay on your image. Step 3, click and drag the corner points on the grid over the object to adjust its perspective inward, which helps when you want to make the object appear narrower or further away. This is useful for correcting photos taken at an angle. Step 4, drag the corner points outward to adjust the perspective in the opposite direction, making the object appear wider or closer to the viewer. This helps when you want to exaggerate depth or fix compressed angles. Step 5. Drag the middle anchor points on the grid edges to fine-tune the perspective, allowing more precise control over each side of the object. These controls are important for making the adjustment look natural and balanced. Step 6. Click Confirm at the top to apply the changes, or Cancel to discard them, depending on whether you are satisfied with the result. Confirming finalizes the transformation and updates your edited image. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.